Welcome back for more, and if you want to learn about hip rotation, then this one is for you. It's a functional clamshell exercise for glute activation because of how it mimics the movements of the hip during gait. Glute activation exercises are commonly done with a band where you are moving an isolated joint against the resistance. Here, we are going to add some 3D mechanics. So grab a towel or yoga block, putting them between the feet, keeping them glued together, and set yourself up in a 90-90 side-lying position. Shift your top knee forward, raise up against the band, and hold as you exhale fully. Lower the knee and reset your hips back to neutral again. The top arm can press into the floor for support while you cushion your head with the bottom arm. Avoid keeping your back completely straight for this, especially as you start to struggle with fatigue. Don't compensate with lower back extension. As you exhale, we want to drop the ribs down towards your pelvis. Be sure to exhale and hold at the same time. We never want to hold our breath and hold an exercise. The goal of any isometric hold is controlled breathing with control of the range. So we have a glute pushing up against the band, adductors or inner thighs activated from the shift, and then the bottom leg's glute will also be getting some work as you facilitate the shift and the leg pushes down into the floor. Nobody's working alone, which is important because walking, running, and hip rotation all require reciprocal alternating patterns like what we are doing here with these key players working together. I like to do a minimum of 5 breaths per side or up to 8 breaths per side. Breaths are better than reps for warming up because we are facilitating our core and helping ourselves get into a nice flow.